Number 39. I will even be at number 40. No problem. Bye bye.
I love you.
Yo, Arakata. Kumera vile matari wazo alimara pangano mono muzimari komana na kizo ndasubijwe kumena bwari Yesu ko bintu ngabiri yabibaho aratwara ikagura.
Something I want to tell you.
Igitekerezo ari kumwe n'inshuti.
I want to marry another wife.
Shaka gushaka undi mugore.
Another wife.
Ni mugore cyane. Ibitekerezo.
Sure.
Ndeko yicaye hano nakadomora ku ruhande. Kadomora ni uri mu ntebe. Chumba niyo saro.
My friend.
Shoti.
You really tried. Of course, you have really tried staying alone.
It's
not easy. Not easy at all for one to stay alone without a wife. 17 years. 17 years. Ah.
Yeah.
Have you seen anyone to marry? Problem.
There
are so many women out there. But there's no wife. And I'm still searching. All right. So I'm now in the north. Put my eyes. Trust me. But what type of woman? You know my test now. I want everything big. Extra large. Extra large. Down to the she must be very fair. Yellow purple with enough stretch marks. Stretch marks fit me well. In fact, it gives me the kick. Do you know what I say? See, if she sleeps and snore, better. Snoring? Yes. Snoring, if she has enough snoring. Yes.
You are the rat.
What's the matter? Come here. What did you do this time?
Did I just finish cooking and the next minute the whole meat in the soup pot is
That's took away the meat. You ask me as if you don't know the type of rice we tell in this house. I have explained to madam. This one. There were 4 rice. The last one was carrying a big basket. And he started bringing out the meat one after the other and passes it to the second one. The second one passes it to the third one. The third one passes it to the fourth one.
Liar, fake commentator, for a thief.
Umugabo mukuru bagabo bakuru niwe mugabo ni umugabo mukuru ni umugabo mukuru yo Ibu,
what are you doing? You mean if you watching me take my bath, eh? Oh, yeah, we hear this.
See, it's not my fault. It's just, I'm looking for a wife.
Marry me, eh?
No.
Because you want to marry me, you first see my nakedness.
Seeing is believing.
Eh, you have seen.
Leave.
understand. When a man is looking for his lost rib,
iyo umuntu arimo gushaka urubavu rwe rwabuze urabizi Bibiliya iravuga ngo umugore ni urubavu rw'umugabo iyo umugabo ashaka urubavu rwe rwabuze agomba kurushaka yitonze akabanza kururunguruka.
Idiot.
Kumbe dore handi yatanze umwana nk'imfashanyo. Yabat yagize mibirenge kumbe ubu butega inzoka bugatega n'imbeba. Katakiye.
I'm sorry.
Agashibuka mama we dapfuye ihangane.
I'm sorry.
Ihangane.
But how did you get your feet into it?
Winjije gutema ikirenge amaho ndani. Imbeba ukinjamire.
was set right inside my shoes.
Ari mu nkweto zanjye.
In your shoes?
Mu nkweto.
God. Well, how did you get into your shoes?
Who else would have done this if not this means Satan lives us?
Nago mbizi. Ngo bahamagaye wa mana witwa mwo. Mwo. Mwana ari hano. Tesha abantu umutwe. Tante. Tante wawe tutaryari. Tante kuva ryari unyicira umugabo. Tante kuva ryari.
Up in the shoes.
Abishize mu nkweto.
Did you catch a rat?
Yamo. So you set a rat trap inside my shoes.
Ngo washize agatego k'imbeba mu nkweto zanjye.
That's been stealing our meats.
Imbeba z'ibinyama zacu nagize gutya menya ko zinjira no mu nkweto n'inkweto fose ari zagenda. Bitamo gukira mu wakigoryo.
You're a wizard.
Uri kigoryi.
Wizard. You're a bullfrog. In fact, more. You're a rat.
You know.
Honey, please now. Eh? You better send this thing away from this house before he...
No, Augustin cannot kill a human being. Please now. Please, I'm not please now. Put me, but you cannot kill me.
I don't want to kill you. Put your leg there.
This is not meant for me.
But it's meant for me.
Bas. Washaka guimyate umugore mwiza. Dibari. Bas. Umuntu ureba utwana turira natwo tugaceceka bas.
Listen.
Kote. Onu Ibu. Ibu you knew. Bas.
So let's go inside. Let me go and look for something for you to drink.
Don't you worry. I'm in a hurry. I'll come on Sunday to see you.
And take something.
Bas.
Send me to somewhere.
Bas.
So you come back on Sunday.
Bas. Bas.
Let us go and
more riches. Bas. Wachaka guimyate bas. We wiroba.
Let us go and
werekeza umuntu. Bas. Yarebye umuntu. Barasatse ngoro tugende duherekeza umuntu se ugiye kurongora muri iminsi. Tugende turi nagushakiye. Bas. Ibu kumbari mana reba. Bas. Ntakibazo tujya tugira araza akagenda. Nta kibazo kijya.
I trust you.
Mu byukuri. Ya Ibu ahora ashaka umugore buri munsi. Yageze hano afite indwara idasanzwe. Igicuri. Aravurura. Hey! Mama we. Wewe ndaga kunkingira. Nawe mwijyanire. Nagaruka umutawe. Ntabwo nyimushaka.
Marry her today.
Bakukingira nawe uyu munsi. Igituri. Kubera ubwoba cyarayobye ikigabo kirenga niwacu mu rugo. Umugabo yaratangiye. Umudamu ni iryankurye. Mwitondera abantu mutazi. Niyo mpamvu umuntu najya kugira agomba kubanza agaperereza. Ese umuntu ameze gute? Nta ndwara afite idasanzwe.
Please.
Ese neza cya gipeti bakizanye mu rugo mu modoka muri aho cyeza ko kivuye i Burayi kumbe ibibazo bikizanye cyategaga abantu tunuza dufata imbeba.
Thank you so much for the present. Sit down in your house.
Mwana gume wabo se mu gihe kitari cyakora garuka none se banya kwa muzagaruka ryari bamwe ne wabaye muniga uncle papa kuva dari kan kuri
Follow me to where?
Wow.
Sit down in your house.
Ari wan.
Am I your father? Go sit down in your house.
So hari wan.
I'm not even your uncle if you don't know.
Cyamfana nawe ni utanabizi. Mudamu waruze ngo kivuye muri Amerika wacyana dore ko gisa. Ngo ni kinika nje harya nkuzi. Urabona ko nani bavumbuye kuri uwa nakijana bahita bakuyakana. Yaraze ngo ni kinika kivuye muri Amerika. Yes, cyagombaga kwicana kigatugereza papa wacu. Hano bahora n'ibibazo gusa. Cye muzatunga naho ryari cye. Papa nawe uhari. Papa yendaga kuzana undi mugore yaraze ngo yatanze umwana nk'impano. Katore yaraze ngo ni kado yatanze. Dore inzu harya hasi dore inzu rugarika.
They are very funny, yo. Ibu and Mpiki, yo. Like a papa, like a Piki. Ibu.
Nibwo buzima bw'isi. Your life. That's life. Ubuzima bw'iduniya.
He get one man, in name na Mr Ibu. Him get one pikin, in name na more. The two of them, they're very wonderful. In short, Hannah,
Babirina.
like papa like a pikin.
Like a father, like a piki umwana. Son.
They don't cause confusion.
Nubwo akiza niwe ufite n'urufunguzo rwo mu rugo. Amabido, agatebe, mabase, imbegeti, amagorofani, amabati, n'urugi na nyirabyo.
I never see this kind of pikin before. Every day by day, now so them go the water. Father and son, they do like okay and wapusu. These two people, they're funny, you go laugh. Oh, you Mr. Ibu and Mpiki, yo.
Naramenya ko mu nzu hari uwajemo yasinze bihagije. Basi.
Them funny, no be small. Mr. Ibu and Mpiki, yo. Like a papa, like a Piki. Mr. Ibu and
Ibu na mungo.
go laugh, no be small.
Kumbe nyuma kiragona. Babanje akarura amaso mu cyumba cyuko yakaryamye. Mwana arahindukira mukozaho udutoki. Aragona mutera utundi dutoki. Ndapfuye. Ngabo, aseju ngabo. Muzariruka yari kana mu gituko n'agatimbwe karabakurikira. Ko yirukana ikigori kirakurikira. Papa n'umwana. Wakiriwe ku nganze wese ku nganze. Uri ikintu nyabaki wose uri ikintu nyabaki. Nakuri papa nyabaki. Umwana akagarura. Uranganze nanjye uranganze. Bavuye mu buriri bashuhishe. Natangaje. Nikaduga neza nagahunguke.
Just a bastard.
Ngabo.
How did you get into the room?
Papa, it was Uncle Osita brought me back.
How did you get into the room?
I entered through the window.
You see, you are a thief. You are a thief. Why did you come back from Azu's house?
Papa, I didn't want to come back. It was Uncle Azu that brought me back. The woman was accusing me of stealing the meat in the house. Uncle Azu's wife, not me. It was one rat.
That rat must be your size.
No.
It's like this. You get into this room through window. It's the same way you would have gone to that pot and the meat disappeared. Fact. Because Azu cannot bring you home. I willingly donated you to him.
I willingly donated you to him.
If I'm coming to woman's bed, that means I'm your son. That means everything I do, you must have done it.
Have you ever seen me in somebody's bedroom?
No, Papa, what I'm saying is that everything I do, you must have done it now.
Afraid, I would have...
Papa, that would have been better now. At least by now, I would have become an American star, an American citizen.
You want to go to America?
Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Snoop Doggy. His hair is like my own. The hands are recording hair. I would have become like them.
They will use you in one science experiment. Anaconda egg. You.
Wow.
Get out of my face.
Talk up. Talk up. Sano kwari watu. So amjaye. Ngabona umwana nasi. Nyumbani umwana yarakajese. Ciao, kan ciao. Ciao. Fanu genda je. Ndakurega kuri komina ahubwo.
I will pick you up.
Onyera gukora ikosa rimwe uri umupfu.
To the church. I give you to the church as my own harvest.
Ubutano kugutanga mu rusengero. N'icyacumi.
You are denying me my destiny. By now, I would have become Michael Jackson. Please.
Nibanza kujya muri Amerika nari kuba narabaye Michael Jackson. Numwana ari hano. Arimo aratongana nase. Gira imyaka. Myaka arayifite.
You're such a wonderful and nice lover I never known.
Niwe mukundwa mu mbere nigeze mbona niwe mwiza nigeze mbona ndagukunda. Kuko kubikeka ko ngukunda. Ndagukunda.
Care for you.
Ndakwitaho.
When I look straight into your eyes, I can see the flowers of love.
Mubonye bas. Je t'aime beaucoup. Ndagukunda.
Everything you need, I will buy it for you.
Ushaka cyose nzakugurira n'imodoka gusa vuga indege.
I will buy you jewelry, gold.
Byose nzagura indege kira kitu wazagire mugire ngira bazagira banje byose byo cyaka ndagura. Ndagukunda.
I will buy you train.
Nzakugurira. Na gari ya moshi nzayigura.
See this house, eh?
Ko bimeze inzu ayibona. Hano ni wanje kumenya inzara komanza. Umura. Ya muze yumvishara abavugiramo. Yumvishara abavugiramo. Bas. Papa umwana yaje. Bas. Ninduwa kumba ari maramwica mu kintu ari ndani. Gitangira kwibyimbya nk'icyari gisinziriye ari uwo cyabwiraga ngo kizamugurira gari ya moshi. Bas. Papa. Wiriwe.
Why are you home by this time of
Kuki ugarutse kare?
Why you don't want to open the door?
Your mom wangaga gufungura.
Papa, you know, I was fast asleep.
Nari ndyamye nsinziriye.
Who was talking with you?
Ninde mwavuganaga?
Oh, maybe it's me.
Ni
When
nivugisha.
I sleep, I talk.
Iyo nsinziriye ndavuga.
I dreamt we are our street. We are playing a match with the other street.
Natekerezaga
Was the
dukina.
commentator.
Turimo gukina umupira na wa muhanda wa ruguru. Ni njyewe wari umuvugizi w'umupira. Nari nabaye kazungu.
I want to take something.
Yes, Papa. Oh, no, Papa. Do you know that a big snake came into this compound?
Uzuka muri inzu yinjiyemo icyaka kinini. Yendaga gushakisha umuntu uri muri inzu.
Where is it? Have you killed it?
Iyo nzoka iri. Wayice?
Yeah, but he entered
Ntabwo
inside.
nayice yinjemo hano indani nyireba. Muri iki kinuza kino kinuza hano.
Later,
Yinjemo muri imbegeti ndeba.
How snake is that there?
Irimo indani hano. Kumbe harimo umuntu yabitsemo. N'imyenda. Igisohore hanze. Ntugifungure iyo nzoka idacika.
Close it well. Close it well. Papa, close it well so that this snake.
Funga witonze kugira ngo kitagira.
But this thing.
Gira.
Put it.
Basi mpaka hanze.
It's not open it.
Buhara ishobora kugira amazi ugafungura kikagira. Mwana kumba arimo arapfundikirana Rwanda nacyo papa aramutse abonye ibirimo. Nibwo yamenya ko iki cyana gikuze. Ugahita cyohereza hanze y'urugo. Basi. Tonde papa uri murayirika cyane ishobora kuviramo aho ngaho. Tonde irika werekeza hakuno. Hamwe hari umwenge niho kibanza. Kigahisha. Jya mu nzu ushaka icyo kwikubitisha.
Don't allow it to escape.
Ntuyemerere ngo icike. Not allow to escape. Gira yinjiye mu nzu gira cyangwa batugirege nawe nakubeshyaga ko inzara iyanjye atari iyanjye. Ntabwo inzu yariye umukobwa yaratangiye imosha nzoka irimosha izi nzoka ziragenda rwose inzoka yagiye yageze hanze umwana ya Ibu yes bas yes bas yes
Ibu. Stop causing confusion, Mr. Ibu. Hey, one day,
Papa,
Papa unaturuka
I trouble.
I went to play football.
najya gukina umupira yari ibyaye yewe cyangwa usa na sogokuru wawe kweli siwe wakubyaye ngo turasa nawe
Like not a new one.
How does it concern?
waguze inshyashyo ndati cyane
Papa, I'm hungry.
papa ndashonje
Since morning.
Now you go there.
sindarya
Give you some.
nari mbabwiye bagira icyo bagushyiraho hepfo kuri ka kanuza baragira
Give me my trouser.
n'ipantaro yanjye
Give me.
shaka kwambara sha cyarasetse ni icyana cye
Papa, what to do? You can't wear it like
Uri
this.
murakora
What to see it?
Samana.
Wash and wear. You know,
wash and wear fura wambare
people will laugh at you.
abantu baraguseka
Wash and wear.
fura wambare wash and wear yes fura wambare wash and wear yes
Ibu. Like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu.
yes
Ibu and the more. Ibu.
uyu mwana nta wundi kananga yigeze abona muri iyi duniya kereka kananga yiboneyeho usibye ko atamuvuga somebody
Wash and wear.
Like a papa,
fura wambare
Mr. Ibu.
kiraseka nta kananga nta kavaga kirabona kuri iyi duniya ya Mungu kereka umwe
No be small.
Wash and wear.
fura wambare yes
That's what I said.
No, you can wear it.
bimeze sawa dore inyubako cyarasetse kiri kuri papa wacyo
Papa,
ni style wash and wear ni technique ni style
it's Italian pants.
basa kubona bo barabizi ibintu barabizi abantu barabizi
Papa, where are you going?
Our town's meeting.
ugiye mfite inama
Papa, if anybody sees you today, you know that he was Usuda.
abantu ni bakubona baravuga ati ukweli niwe nibyo baravuga kuri we
Huh? You're like a man.
uri umugabo you are the man papa niwe mugabo
push and go inside.
Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa, you're very sweet now. Yes, do it well.
Yes, pass. Yes. Nana sentire, yes. Yes. Kamambira kora mizavuye kogera makira mizini nziza za style. Yes. Abo ni bakaduga bakiva mu cyaro. Yes.
If you like.
Yes, agiye kureba wabaye boss wa mbere Tony. Yes. Ocean wear. Yes. Arabyimba dore nko. Yes, nkokora. Yes, man. Yes. Eh? Yeah, Papa Jena Mustar. Yes, man. Yes. Hey, uyu ni umwana we. Yes, umusitari wa mbere bahuye yaraturitse araseka. Ni umusitari nguriye ngo ni umukarateka. Ibu darabudanu kiravuga ikiwabo.
Thank you. I'm going to our town's meeting.
Yeah, nje mu nama yo muki.
Ibu. Oginuka.
What is this?
Vinich.
Wash and wear.
Wash and wear.
What do you mean by wash and wear?
Uravuga iki fura wambara?
Sit here now.
That's one.
Ibu.
Ibu.
A foolish man.
Umugabo musu. Foolish man.
Wash and wear means you will wash your clothes and wear it immediately without letting it dry.
Bisobanura ngo wafura ko kanyo ite wambara itaruma.
Baba, forget.
This style zaje.
This is our own time.
Style abasore bambara za style.
My sons that should wear it.
Mwana wanjye wabibwiye. Ibu.
What it means that you should wash your clothes and wear it without ironing it.
Ibyo bisobanura ngo yifure uyambara utayiteye ipasi. Ntabwo bisobanura ngo fura wite wambara.
Is that one a human being or a ghost?
Wakubwiye gutya ni umuntu cyangwa ni umuzimu.
Back and get. Can't you see how people are looking and laughing at you?
Nagure ko abantu bari kukureba bakanaguseka. Barakureba bakanaguseka. Baratangira muze afite inkokora my friend afite ivi. Ni bake bagireyo mavi. Hagirwa n'inyangamugayo. Ibu yaratekereje ibintu akoze ntibibaho. Tangwa rizariho kuva yavuka. Ubwa mbere abonye umuntu ungana nk'akora ibi. Nako n'ubwa mbere yibonye.
Let me just go quickly.
Ibu barakwereka yaratashye mugenzi arebe ko yakwitunganya gusa akazi na to God be the glory cyubahiro kibikimana niyo yali Ibu Mr Ibu agace kambere n'umuhungu we mwo nuko kagenze mwakoze kuzamara beyo turabakunda yavaga muri the one video library kopi na gukura ko bitemewe yari Yanga
Very funny yo
Mr Ibu
and picky yo Ibu like a papa like a picky Ibu na waya Ibu
ugashaka kuri DVD ukagashaka kuri VCD no kuri cassette uko wabishaka bwose buriho ndavuga nk'aka gakunze ukabonye kuri cassette no kuri DVD wakabona ndetse no kuri VCD mwakoze kuza murabeho yari Yanga
The two of them they're very wonderful in short Hannah be very beautiful everywhere them go they must surely show themselves anything them do their own